So welcome back everyone, and officially Christmas time, 1st of December. What's coming up is, hopefully, you'll see an actual festive menu. So stick around and you'll see exactly how I rated it. So, as you can see there, as we go through the unboxing, I think actual festive items, and as you can see there, the brilliant box, which I think Miller and Carter did before, it holds the burger. You've got the treacle sponge there, which again, isn't festive, 100% isn't festive, but they didn't have the festive desserts on the Deliveroo app for some weird reason. So as you see there, pigs in blankets, £2.49, festive dirty burger, £16.49, and the treacle sponge, £6.99. I think Harvester in general are a lot better than what they used to be. There just wasn't a picture of the pigs in blankets from the Deliveroo app for some weird reason. Again, not sure. But as you can see there, straight away, pigs in blankets. Yeah, they were nice, but they were a little bit rubbery. I think the sausages had been left out, maybe not had the bacon wrapped around them when they were kind of cooked. So they've got a batch of sausages, they wrapped them in bacon, put them back on the grill. I don't know, but they were a little bit rubbery. They were nice flavours, sage and onion kind of, in terms of the Cumberland side of it, I think. They were pretty good. The chips were just standard Harvester chips. They were good chips. If they were fresh out of the oven, they'd be brilliant, or fresh out the fryer, they'd be brilliant. It's just the distance, and obviously with being wrapped in a sort of an insulated bag, obviously, you know, there's going to be a little bit of moisture, but they were good fries. I think, you know, $16.49 still is a crazy price. I mean, I will say, I think it's a crazy price. $12.99 or something like that for a meal, maybe $14.99, maybe. It's a pretty big burger, don't get me wrong, but I think $16.49 is a little bit on the steep side. I know it's Christmas and people can charge a bit more. And unfortunately, this is what adds to everything when you do pay this money as delivery. And this is the whole experience, obviously, with delivery. The advertised versus reality is quite a bit different, and it's stuck to the paper, which you saw obviously a second ago. The one thing I've just realised is they haven't included the hash brown. Now, just while we're talking about it, let's talk about a comment that I didn't have the pink pickled onion chutney. Now, again, has this ruined this burger because it didn't have the hash brown? Was it a detrimental or fundamental part of the burger? Probably not, I would say. I mean, most of the stuff on this burger, apart from the turkey and the burger, are essentially condiments. So it's not that I try and have things taken off food, but as I said on the comment, if I don't like something, it's going to take over the whole burger and it's going to skew the review. But I will take it on board, as I said on the comment, and going forward, I'm going to try and not remove anything at all. So this, I didn't remove the hash brown, it just didn't come with one. So that done and dusted. This burger was really good. The brioche bun, a little bit soft, maybe we could do with a little bit of a firmer bun to coat with all the kind of ingredients, as it were. But the burgers were brilliant, they're not smashed, excellent flavour, probably done a tiny little bit too much. The turkey was, I think, out of this world. I mean, as far as turkey goes, like, obviously it can be very dry. It wasn't. It was, backed up by the cranberry sauce and the cheese sauce, and it was still full. I mean, you see there, you can see how much the moisture. It wasn't dry, so it's kind of a soft meat. So it's full of moisture. Really good, and the whole combination, whoever thought of it, turkey, cranberry sauce, cheese, and the burger, I think they've nailed it. Like, it's a really nice burger. Eating in the restaurant, fresh. Just been built, not in a box, delivered 3 miles. I think you'd have a really good burger. I can't knock it. Ultimately, just while we're showing the treacle sponge, which we're coming on to, it was a beef burger 6 ounce, hash brown, topped with seasoned pulled turkey, sweet dill pickle, which I think they missed that off as well, cranberry sauce and cheese sauce, brioche bun, baby gem lettuce and tomato, topped with a Cumberland pig in blanket, served with seasoned chips. But yeah, that's as much I'm going to say. Try it. If you think it's great, then by all means, add a review on wherever they have their reviews, Google reviews or whatever it is. But I think it's a really good burger. So just to address the treacle sponge, as I say, they just didn't have the Christmas pudding on Deliveroo's app for some weird reason. I'm not sure why they omit some and include others. Very strange, but treacle sponge, I just thought, let's try it as a dessert. 6.99? Yeah, I think that's too high. I mean, $5.99, $4.99 might be better. You don't get a particularly big, carton or tub of custard either, as you can see there. So, however, as with all their food, not, let's say, what I'm trying to think of, freeze-dried, it's all really good food. The treacle sponge, light, airy, enough treacle on the top. Maybe we could do with a little bit more. I imagine they're packaged, so I'm saying not freeze-dried, but not made in-house. But overall, I can't knock the place as I didn't before. The ratings reflect that, which you'll see. 9 out of 10, 8.5, 7 out of 10, and 9 out of 10. Really nice place overall. I appreciate everybody watching. Merry Christmas to everybody. And if you haven't, check out these videos.